Say thank you to Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay.
Thank you, Dada.
Envelopes. The envelopes.
The envelopes there. On the chair. There.
Envelope.
Okay. The first one. Here.
What?
That's from Nanay. Sit.
Read it.
Here.
I couldn't read.
Oh, you can just read the letters.
Oh.
Movie tickets. You can watch Rise of the Guardians.
Oh, wow.
Companions.
Movie tickets.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
Look at Donkey with the wrapper.
Yeah, there's you have one more envelope there.
Oh, where's one?
There, one more.
That's
Here.
from
There.
Lolo and Lola, I think.
Come here.
That's from Lolo and Lola.
Ah!
A lot of money.
Okay, say thank you there on the video.
Oh,
Thanks, Lolo and Lola.
Thank you.
What are you going to buy with your money? Are you going to save it or buy something? Save some, buy some.
Save it.
Say, look on the
Say
video.
thank you, Lola.
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you. Bye. May I say that?